So what are you two looking forward to?
See what I'm not going to buy.
Space with loads of plants in it. Yes, it's called it.
It's sweaty.
I think we're in for a real treat, aren't we? Because look, we've got actual flowers here on the main stage. Sue Kent is going to be talking about how to make gardening easy and how to do your perennial planting in pots and containers. So please put your hands together for Sue Kent.
Hello everybody. Well, I just had an exciting moment meeting Archer behind the stage. I followed her since I first had my children and I was not working, and I do the ironing and listen to the events at Bridge Farm. So it's you're having a lovely day. It's a bit hot. Are you all in here just because you're in the shade? or you want me to talk about plants? It's lovely to see you. I got here early so I could go around and do a bit more work on my tour.